Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remain your humble NoSkidFX. So today I want to specially appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys are the best for staying with us. We've just reached our 100 subscriber, and then we can do it. We are expecting 1k, 2k, 5k, and like that. So I am thanking you guys for believing in us, for staying back, for continue with us till this extent. In my part, I promise we're going to do the best to bring out profitable content that will help you, improve on your technical skill, psychological, and then risk management skill that will, help you become profitable in due time. The forex market is here to stay, and there are a lot of opportunities. All you just need is the right content, the fact that the market, the fact that comes with the market, and all you need to know about it to make sure that you become profitable. So I will not relent. I will keep on dropping important content, and if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to it, and let's see how the Lord will help us as we continue. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can properly run your analysis on your smartphone. I've seen people, especially beginners, who come to me and they're like, okay, can I start trading without a laptop? I need to get a laptop. I have to wait. I have to save money for 1 year, 2 years before I can get a laptop, and or before I will be able to embark on the journey of trading. No, you don't have to wait to get a laptop. You can actually run a top-down analysis using your smartphone. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how I will be able to do that with my phone, and then you also can start your dream. For those who want to go into forex trading, who has been have some reluctancy because of the unavailability of laptop or thereabouts. So this video, make sure if you are new to it, please make sure you hit the like button and then subscribe to it. If there's any question, any comment, please drop it in the comment box. I'm always available to attend to your needs. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into what we have today. So this is my watch list on synthetic indices, derived to be precise. So because of the account size, at times we try as much as we can to minimize the number of pairs we trade. There are people who like volatile pairs and all, but me, this is just what I look at for the meantime. So I just have to be conscious of what I am risking in the market, and also I'm just going to pick any pair right now, and then let's see how we go with the analysis. So I will be opening volatility 10 index charts. Sorry, this is V10. Open the chart, so I have to make it slant so that you can see what we have. So if you go to now when you want to do a top-down analysis on any particular pair, you just have to go towards the higher time frame. As we all know, if you have not watched my video on multi-time frame analysis, please make sure you do that. Make sure you do that. It's very, very important so that you will not be lost. There is a video on multi-time frame analysis, so make sure you do that. So you have to go to the higher time frame, say daily, to see what the market is doing per day. So I'm a structured trader. So what I mean is that I pay attention to structures a lot. So what I'm looking at on the daily, all I see is that the market has been bearish within this zone. The market has been bearish within this zone. Here around this region, the market is bearish. But when it comes to this particular phase, when it comes to this particular location, when it comes to this place, when it comes to this particular point, it break. I'm coming, I need to do this. Okay, when it comes to this particular point, when it comes to this, it came down and broke this high here. Okay, it broke this recent lower high to create a new higher high, and then it pulled back and break this particular point. So within this region, the market switched from being a bearish market to a bullish market. Okay, so what we expect the market to do is we expect the market to pull back and then break this particular high here to give us a new higher high. So there is, but the market have not been able to do that. Although it pulled back, it was not able to take it out. Then it broke down again. But nevertheless, this is the low that created this high. So as long as this low remain intact, the market remain a bullish market. So if you have not watched my video on market structure, please make sure you do that. Make sure you do that. It's very important. So from the daily time frame, I have deduced that the market is in a bullish phase. We are yet to have a proper break of either the low to give us a switch or transition to a new phase. So I will scale down to the 4-hour time frame to see what the market is doing. Okay, so this is what I have on the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour as well, we see what is happening. The market was at a point bullish, change phase to bearish, change phase to bullish, change phase to bearish, and then we have the market stopped in this particular location. We have the market stopped in this particular arena. So what I want to do now is I want to start marking my key level. Okay, I want to start marking my key level. So this is, let me remove this so that you can see how I do that. Look at this particular portion where you have this. You can just carry your tool, because I've used them before. That is why they are showing here, but you can actually click here to choose what you want to choose. So you can use this box to draw your support line. You can also change the color if you want. Use this box to, you can use this box to draw your support and resistance line. You can use this color. So you can see that market has been respecting this particular area in the market. So the market came down massively, and this is what we have. So what I need to do now is I will scale down to okay, meanwhile because you really need to be smart, and then you don't have to act on the market. Don't act because you feel you need to be, all you need to do is to react. So I have seen that there is a touch here, so I'm expecting that before this low is taken, because this is a low on the, this is the daily low that we said it has not been taken, and so we still assume that the market is bullish. All right, so before this low is taken out, we still expect that there might be a push to the downside. There might be a push to the downside like this, to this particular phase, to touch this trend line for the third time, and then we now have something that may eventually serve as a catalyst to push the market all the way up to clear these areas of liquidity. So that is about what I am looking. That is about what I can see from the 4-hour time frame. So for me to find my entry, I will now scale down to the 15 minutes. So you see, the 15 minutes is where I look out for my entries. If you've not watched the video on transition, because for you to be able to find entry, you must understand what transition is in the market. So if you have not been able to watch my videos on transition, you have to make sure you do that. It's very, very important. So I have to identify a trend line here, which is very important, and I have it here. This is a trend line. I can see that there's a valid trend line around this region. There's a valid trend line around this region that was broken. So I don't have to rush the market. I need to be very patient so that the market can come to where I want to make entry from. So I've seen this particular area. This should have been my first entry, but then nevertheless, like I said, you should not rush the market. You have to be patient and wait for it to come. So this is another key zone. So the moment I see the market break out like this from here, and then so like this arrow is just to show direction, okay, and then I will expect a retest, and we'll have to ride it all the way down. So this is going to be our conservative entry, because If you check here, the market has been on a choppy move, or what we call consolidation in the market. So we ride it all the way down, and that will give us a very good risk to reward. Okay, so this is how you can successfully analyze and make your technical analysis using your smartphone without any doubt or stress. All right, so I hope this video is helpful. Make sure you give it a thumb up. So there are other important content that you really need to pay attention. Like I've mentioned, if you have not watched transition, don't know the proper way to draw your support and resistance, make sure you watch those videos. They're very important. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video.